Alright, it's 5:45 in the morning. I'm awake because I'm hardcore fisherman. Dad and Luke, not so much awake. They're sleeping like little babies. So I'm gonna go out, launch the boat solo, try to get an hour of fishing in before the boys get out there. Day number one was pretty awesome. It ended crazy. You saw Dad fall in the lake after that muskie. Not really the muskie after his rod, but right after we caught that muskie. But that was a good way to end it. So hopefully day two, we're going to go chase some big smallies. We're going to Pokegama Lake, big smallies. Finished up with some big muskies. Hopefully we got some more funny stuff happening. I'm sure we will. Let's get after it. Got him. Looks like a little guy. It is a little guy. It's a little largemouth. Alright, well. We're on the board early at least. A little largie. See if there's some smallies in here now. Jeez. That is a little bitty largemouth. This is like the bridge full of just monstrosities. The bridge full of giants. That looks like the fish that's in my tank right now. Tiny. Look at the grouch for not waking up. He's mad that he wouldn't wake up himself. You didn't even check your own phone. Wouldn't wake up, doesn't set his own alarm.
Oh, man.
He's mad that he doesn't wake up on his own accord. Try to wake him up, he doesn't wake up. Doesn't know how to wake himself up. Let it behold, this guy doesn't know how to set an alarm, and this guy doesn't wake up.
Didn't wake me up, man.
Nerd!
Got him. Good one. Good one.
What's that one right out the gate? How big?
I don't know. Oh, it's a mega smallmouth. There's 6 of them following it, Jake. There's like 6 following it, dude. Seriously, dude. There's a mega school following it.
Hold on. All right.
Oh, dude, I can't see him now.
How big is he?
He's big, man. It's probably a 4-pounder.
I don't have the net, so you gotta get down here and handle it.
Oh, shit, of course.
You told me to take it out.
It's all right. Look, dude, look.
Oh, it is a giant.
Look, there's he one's following it. Oh, it's spitting up craws. It spit up a craw. You see that big craw?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's rip and drag.
It's the big one.
Dude, right there, out there, cast that way. There was like 6, all the same size following it, dude.
Take your time. It's not gonna go anywhere. Oh, dude, this is a brute.
Film me.
I am.
You're not facing me.
This is a seriously big
Look
fish.
at this drag.
This is a seriously big fish.
I'm like afraid to tighten my drag. Oh, it's a mega, dude. Oh, he's such a bulldog. Oh, he's gonna jump. Don't jump. Don't you jump.
Right there. I got so much stuff in the way. I got a disaster and this boat is just filled with stuff. Get it back there. Watch that rod. Oh. Get him. Oh. Yes! That's a nice one, dude. It's like a 4-pounder, baby.
Dude!
Right out the gate.
Dude, we got to get back in there though because I think there was a ton more, man.
Yeah, there was a bunch
that
with them.
dream shot.
Oh,
There was
sweet.
like 4 smallies, all the same size as this thing, just all falling with it. They were coming in so hard on it. Oh, that's a good one, man.
That's a nice one. All right, put him back and let's get back in there. That's a 4-pounder. All right, let that beauty go.
All right.
Nice 4-pounder.
Let's let her go.
Nice 4-pounder up kegs to start the day.
Oh man, the drop shot bite.
There was like 6 with them, huh?
See, buddy.
Let's get a smash and school going here. Nice
All right,
word.
I think there's a big school right here. I'm gonna go right on it then. Another one. Yep. Another mega. Same size. Same size. Oh. Oh. Same size. He's not fighting there as hard. He's giving up. He's blind. He's blind in one eye. He's just not right yet. Oh, come here, devil, you. Oh. Whew, slow down here. Oh man, these things like the Elite Series, baby! What is happening? I've never been on a massive school of smallmouth. Oh, he's got so many crawfish in his belly. Oh, you guys gotta see this. Not sure if you guys can see that. Since they smallmouth. Check it out, dude.
Oh yeah, just crushing craws out here. Crushing them crawdads out here.
Oh, there's a 3-pounder. There they are, boys. We're gonna get some more of these. Say goodbye. Got him.
That's a big old largemouth. This is a giant, dude. It's like a 5-pounder. Big old largie.
Yeah, it is a largemouth.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh!
Exo stick.
I think we found ourselves a nice spot to fish. Look at the size of that freak.
What do I think, 4.5?
It's got to be close to 5, right? 4 and 3
Weigh him.
quarters, maybe. Let's see how big this guy is. That's a nice one. That, my friends, is a nice one. $4.7.
Nice.
4.74. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
That's a nice one. Good fish, man.
What were you doing?
Drop shotting, baby.
Let's
Same
see.
thing Luke was doing, except I was using the new Biospone Exo Stick drop shot. They're just sitting here in like 20 feet of water. They're just crushing crawfish. This guy spit up a bunch of crawfish too. Look how long he is. He's got to be freaking close to 20 inches.
Yeah.
But he must be hanging out with them smallies. Pokegama's a sick lake, dude.
All right, snapped a couple photos.
Let that big beast go. 4 3/4. It's a big one, man. Long, lean, mean fish.
That was a great little jumper.
Gave us a sweet show. Let's get back at it. That's why they're here. You can see the tail end of that bait fish school there.
Oh, I just got a notification to start prospecting at 9 a.m.
There they are. That's why we're catching them. I just gotta try this.
I love it. So much stuff on it.
There's a lot of fish right here. Oh, there's one.
Wide. High. He's on it hard. He's on it hard.
Oh, he hit it.
Did you see that? Keep going. That's about the same size as mine.
Yeah. He just missed the bite.
He missed it. Oh, he came after, he shot up after it hard. Reel back in and cast out there. Damn. There's all sorts of species on this thing, man. Every species in the lake is out here right now. Got him. Oh! You got him? He hit it. Oh.
Keep going, keep going.
Dude, he hit it and didn't have it. He just banged it. I had him hooked for like a second and then he came off. I saw him. It looked like the same fish. That was the same fish. I saw him.
Well, here's an update for you. Morning update. Started out pretty good. I got out early, caught 9 little rats, then picked up Luke Man at the dock, and then the bite was on like right away. Pulled out to a deep pump. Luke banged that 4-pound smallie, then like a 3-pound smallie, then I caught that big largie just shy of 5, caught a couple other rock bass and whatever else bit. Picked up the muskie rod, like my second cast, got a follow from like a low 30s muskie. 2 turns on the figure 8, nips on the end, couldn't get him. Like 3 casts later, I'm banging out there again and he freaking hits it. Thought I had him stuck for a second, then just gone. I was like, ugh. Second muskie I've lost this year. It's a good sign though. We're gonna get a big monster today. Fish are moving, fish are biting. It's gonna be a good day. And it's just getting started.
Oh, pipe. Oh, what the heck? That's a pond. Something in his stomach. Dude, he's not even hooked.
Did you wrap him with
He's wrapped around by the line. This is crazy.
That's exactly
Look at this.
what happened when the one I caught.
He's not even hooked. The line is wrapped around like
You know what I
lassoed.
think what happens there is they shoot at it really fast and they miss it.
Huh.
And they get just the line in their mouth and it when you set
Look
the
at
hook.
that. Not to retie. He jacked it all up. He wasn't even hooked.
Let's see. Throw him in the live well. Let's keep that one.
Spat. That'll be a decent play. Is that, what's the slot though?
Oh, he might be in it actually.
He might be in the slot. I don't think we can keep him. Slot fish. Can't keep him. Good fight though. First cast at the sunbait. We got perfect keeper. Perfect largemouth. Look at his face. He's got that jacked up nose.
Oh, he's a derp! We gotta submit this to Bass Blaster.
Why?
He does derp pictures every week. That's a super derp. Yes! That's a derp.
Let me see
Let's
here.
go on to Bass Blaster.
That's a derp. I've never heard of a derp. Or, let me see the fishes a little bit closer. Picking up the straggler.
Stragglers all rested. Made you
Stragglers
guys
all
some
rested.
breakfast. No one came up to eat my breakfast, so I had to eat it for you.
Oh, that's okay.
I woke up at 5:45 like I promised.
You're diehard, huh?
I've been out here since
Yeah, he didn't even wake me
Well,
up.
Then you had, I'm sure you had plenty of good fish stories to share then.
We caught some nice ones this morning, man. I caught a 4-pound smallie, a 3.5-pound smallie. Jake caught like a
Really?
4.5-pound largemouth.
almost
Really?
5. It's 4.
Yeah.
Some nice fishes.
Yeah.
Right here. There's a big hump out here we caught.
Really?
I caught
To the bridge. Megas, Jake. Look at this. Look at 6 of them. 6 of them. Oh,
trying to horse him. You're horsing your fish right now. Yeah, dude, you're horsing, man. Just take your time with your fish.
He didn't hook well, man. He was nipping at it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a mega, dude. That's a mega. That's a freaking mega, dude. Come on, Dad.
Hold on, Dad. Don't pull up like that. Don't pull up like that.
This is a, what kind of landing job we got here, guys? This is a 5-pounder. Oh! Dude, that's a mega, Dad. That's a mondo.
Is that a perch?
That's a perch? What, are you kidding me? It's a smallmouth bass. Dude.
I told you, man, I ain't caught many smallies.
Huge one.
Very nice.
Huge one. Nice job, man.
That's the ones that we were looking for right there. They were coming from this side. Where'd you catch them?
Right there on the side of that post there.
All right, you got to get a picture of this thing.
Got me a big smallie.
Dad, what do you got there? Big smallmouth.
Got me a big smallie.
That's a big one. Hold him sideways. Let's get a good view of that guy. That's your new PB Smallie.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's a.
Dad just broke his PB.
Yeah, just broke my PB.
Just broke his PB, baby, on the swim bait.
Let's wait real quick here, back.
Get a weight on. All right, Pops.
Did you give me a photo? Did you get a photo for me?
of you.
That's a nice
Come on.
one.
4 and
quarter.
change.
All right, let her
That's
go.
a nice Smallie.
Nice smallie on Pokegama, baby. Bringing it.
That's right.
Let her
That's
go.
a beast. We got some big ones today. Oh! Quick release.
There you
Quick
go.
release. He was lively. Nice work, Pops. Nice work. PB Smallie in the boat.
He's so charged up. Belly grab, belly grab, belly grab, belly grab. Not mouth. Belly grab. Belly grab, Jake.
God, they're hooked good. Relax, they're slick. They're slick, man. You want to inland it yourself?
Jake's got me thinking I'm just gonna lose and they're hooked really well.
Wait, that one. That's another 4-pounder, huh?
Oh yeah.
Right on the pylons.
Oh yeah, baby.
That one's good too, man.
Oh yes, baby.
Get some video of that. Come on. Bring on the. Bring
We
on
have
the
a
big
we have
smallie.
like a 22-pound bag now.
I know, man.
Got another one, baby.
Another Mondo,
Pulling
man.
up dads. We got that huge school that was chasing
There's
my
a big
drink bait
school.
that I lost right out of the gate. This is definitely another 4 or 4.5 pounder right here.
That's a beast.
But let's weigh this one too.
They're sitting tight. They're sitting tight on each of these bridge pylons. Dad caught his off that one. Luke caught his off that one. They're just real finicky, tight on the bridge pylons.
Caught him on the stealth fighter jig.
Yeah.
Stealth fighter jig.
They're only in like
Cross.
8-9 feet of water. Just cruisers, midday cruisers, baby.
What do we think she weighs?
4-pounder.
Is it going to be bigger than 431?
He might be. He's not as fat.
403.
403. That's our fifth. That's a fifth fish today. We've got 3 4+ pound smallies, a just shy of 5-pound, largie, and another 4-pound smallie. We got like a 20+ pound bag today, hammering them.
Mark Daniels, if you ever come around to watching our show, this one's for you, buddy. This one's directly for you. I'm using them Z-Man TRD rigs. Got him. Another one. Not as big. Largemouth. That's dinner, baby.
Is that the eating kind?
Oh, it's another derp. It's another derp.
You mean like a weird.
Oh, no. Yeah.
So what do you mean by a dirt?
See that? How his nose is like really short.
Uh-huh.
It should be. It shouldn't be like that. We gotta run. Jake's gotta meet it.
Well, I'm eating a tasty sandwich now. Morning session went off like lights out. who caught 20 plus pound bag. Everybody cracked the 4+ pounder mark. Caught that big old largie. Luke caught that couple big old smallies. Dad caught his PB smallie. 4+ pounder. We did pretty good this morning. Lost the muskie, that would have made it a perfect day. We're gonna get back out this afternoon, put the hammer down again, probably get a muskie, hopefully. Now, it's time to enjoy the vacation, play a little golf. We'll be back.
Bye.